So I want to give a quick shout out to the company called Miles Runner. And before I say anything, I will disclose that they sent me this really cool truck topper to give my honest feedback on it. Turns out about a year ago I started looking pretty extensively on getting a topper and the different types of options out there for the back of my truck here, mainly for the reasons of like anybody else wants one. I want to keep my gear dry when it's raining and when there's inclement weather, but most importantly, especially in my region here, I wanted to keep the dust off of it and occasionally even sleep in the back of the truck without having to worry about bringing a tent or anything like that. Enter the Miles Runner truck topper, and I gotta tell you, I was skeptical, but it's checking all the boxes. I love this thing. It meets all of my needs and more. I got my a phone here to go over some pros and cons that I've observed. I've had this on now for a couple of months. I've used it off-roading, camping trips, driving around town. I've taken it through car washes, and so far it has not disappointed. A little bit about it. This is made out of really high-strength, super durable PVC. It's malleable, but once you get this thing pumped up, it is hard as a rock and super sturdy. It doesn't budge. It's made with drop stitch thread technology. All the seams are welded in there. There's literally no chance of this thing leaking. I haven't had any issues. I've pumped it up once. That drop stitch technology, look it up. It's not bomb proof, but man, it's pretty much bulletproof. The biggest advantage over these versus the other options out there are the price. Right now you go onto milesrunner.com and this particular topper here runs about $900, $899 right now. They do have specials here and there, but that price is pretty remarkable considering that it's a fraction of the cost of what I would have paid for even a used hard topper for this thing. It's lightweight. When this thing is off of here, I can lift it up all by myself. Taking it on and off is a one-person job at 44 pounds. And when I do take it off, which isn't a big process, it takes me about 10-15 minutes to take it off and put it back on. It goes into a nice duffel bag that was included with this package, and it stores in my garage just fine, out of the way. I've only taken it off twice, so that doesn't take up that much space. This thing is super rigid, like I was saying earlier, with this PVC drop stitch technology. It holds up to 200 pounds on the top. There's no flapping in it at all. It doesn't flap like with other soft toppers that have the poles and the hard spots in it. When you're going down the road, they have a tendency to flap. It doesn't do that. It has these really cool D-rings attached on the top here as well as on the sides, so you can strap stuff down on top of it. It includes an electric pump. Nice thing about this electric pump is Miles Runner recommends that you inflate this to 10 psi. The electric pump, the 12-volt pump that it comes with, will stop automatically at 10, and it has a digital readout on it. So super convenient for that. Another really cool thing I'll show you right now. Inside, as you can see, they are clamps that clamp to the bed rails of your truck instead of what most of these soft toppers have, which is the straps. They strap them on. That's how they're held onto the truck. These are really sturdy steel clamps that stay attached to the truck. It's well insulated. This thing stays a good 10-15 degrees warmer without any heaters in it, in contrast to what the outside air temperature is, and it's completely waterproof. There are some things that I think they could do better that I wish I would have seen included with it, such as all these zippers that you see here is kind of a pro and a con. There's very little Velcro on this thing. All of the closures here are really super durable, high quality zippers, and despite the flaps that go over the zippers, dust and zippers don't really get along all that well. And if you get too much dust in these, it's going to be kind of a chore to unzip these. But as with all your camping gear and your off-road gear, if you keep it maintained and you keep these zippers oiled, I don't think it's going to be an issue. I would have liked to have seen some windows right here. That would have been neat. It's not that big of a deal. However, when you're camping in there, it would be nice to have something look out of. Other people will say this too about these inflatable soft toppers, is they do look a little wonky, okay, at times, and that's because there are no real structural side supports keeping it level, so it kind of squats a little bit. However, this one does have a feature because it's as you're seeing here as I'm opening it, it does have this bar here, this steel bar here, and that keeps it from on the back side at least not looking as wonky as other soft topper options. Yeah, it's just cosmetic. All those things combined, I think it's great. As you can see inside here, it's nice. This back window system is really excellent. It just clamps in and out. Super easy to take out. It does have this mesh, so if you're lifting up the window portion of it, the clear part, you still have a mesh here. Everything zips up nicely, and you can strap those in to where they'll stay up if you want a little ventilation in there. I really like it. Head on over to Miles Runner to see if they have a fit for your truck on there. I'm sure they do. Again, this was for the money. This is the best bang for your dollar right here. I love it. And special thanks to Miles Runner for sending this to me and sponsoring this